So we got the new new valve cover gasket here, new plugs, and what's going on here is inside of this, in the center, right in this hump, these 4 gaskets go around the spark plug tubes and keeps all the oil that's splashing around in here from going down in the spark plug tubes into the combustion chamber. And that is what failed, is these are dry rotted and cracked, so the oil is just going right in there and fouling out the spark plugs. So let's get this fixed. Spark plugs up all the way, and I'm going to leave them in the hole so nothing drops down into the cylinder while I'm doing this. And now we're just removing all the stuff we need to. Ugh. Yep. Damn.
Purchase your tracks today.
Everything. Water, oil.
Purchase your tracks today.
All right, Julio.
Sound much better. Learning gear once. That's when I heard it this morning, was when I put it in gear. There it is.
That's
normal?
That's
okay.
just a fucking 2005 Camry.
River going bad.
Yeah.